Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harley Silver Rocks. Today I will be sharing my first experience of servicing Harley 440X after completing 500 kilometers on the roads. This video we will share what has worked well, what are the issues which has to be fixed, and what are the overall service experience I had at Capital Harley Davidson showroom in Gurgaon. Overall, my experience has been amazing in these 500 kilometers. It has a great looks, strong presence, and that thump we all love. But like any other new bike, they face certain problems during the initial rides. And yes, this is what I am gonna share with you today. The first craziest problem I have faced is the cracking sound during potholes. Now, I may not be able to show you that cracking now because the bike is stand still, but otherwise, whenever I am riding it in rough patches as well as on potholes, there has been a cracking noise which is coming. It could be maybe because of the suspension or maybe because of the handling bar. What is the issue? We will see at the service center. The second problem which I have faced is the initial lag when I am pressing the ignition. Now, most of the time it is fine, but sometimes it did persist, and it is important to share at the service center. Third issue I have faced is the switch button has been sticky. Now, whenever I am riding and try to see whether I am getting a call or maybe what are these signs, whether it is a service sign or I'm trying to see my real-time average, the buttons has been felt little hard and sticky. Maybe it may be because of the dust inside the switchboards or what, we will see at the showroom. So what are we waiting for? Let's go to the showroom and see what they have to say and how can they make my ride perfect. So guys, we are at the service station. You can see the Harley bikes and let's see what they have to say. So guys, we are at Harley 440X Off-Road Service Center. This is the Bay Area. We are not allowed to take any photograph inside. I'm just trying to sneak in. Guys, my Harley 440X service is done. You can see the value. The first service cost has come out to be 3,308 rupees. I've got it done through Sterling Mobikes Private Limited, which is nothing but Capital Harley Davidson. Coming to the issue, they have tried to reduce the noise which was coming in the form of crack. They could able to sort the issue in terms of noise. Some of the noise which they are saying is probably because of these screws which are little loose, and they have advised me to change from the lock and key screw to the normal screw which comes in the usual bike. Coming to the starting ignition problem, they said that now the ignition is smooth. So let me see, when I drive in, how the things works up. They have cleaned the switches and they are also working fine. So overall, this is my journey of Harley 440X first service at Capital Harley Davidson, and I really think you must have enjoyed my video. Looking forward for more such videos coming soon. Please like, share and subscribe if you are liking it, so that people who really wanted to know how much the first services cost, they can find it with this video. Okay, have a safe ride and a sturdy ride.